welcome back to Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. Today, we're going to do something just a little bit different. So I splurged and got the Simple Stories box when it was available, and this is one of the kits that came with it. It's a page kit for All My Love. I've never had one of these before, so I was going to open it up with you guys, and we're going to take a look at what is included. On the back, it shows the 4 papers with embellishments and some extra paper here, but I actually want to take a look at this. So let's do that together. Okay, so, oh, it comes with, oh, okay, I see. So maybe I opened it up wrong. I did, that's okay. Oh, okay, so it comes with instructions on how to create each layout. It comes with some thinner chipboard pieces. Those are super cute, right? And then these die cuts come in a 12 by 12 sheet. So you just have to punch them out. Okay. That's pretty nifty, right? And then you get your 4 patterned cardstock pieces. I think this way, and then, so it makes 2 double page layouts. I think I like it this way better. Okay, well that's a lot of fun. Well, the reason that this caught my eye on what I want to do is I've got these cute photos of my son being a big baby, a big crybaby. So I was originally thinking that I would do a boy layout. And then I was like, well, when babies cry, you know, they tug at your heartstrings, right? And so I was looking through my stuff and I saw this layout here has 3 by 3 photos, probably, or maybe 4 by 4, probably 3 by 3 because there's a space here. And I was like, oh, I could totally use this layout, just the single side, for these 3 photos. So that is what we are going to be doing today. So, and I think I am going to do All My Love as the title. So I need to punch this out and see how easy that is. Okay, that's not too bad, right? That is not too bad at all. All My Love. I could also, there is a title that says Sweetheart. I could definitely use that for my title as well, but I thought I would just stick with the All My Love portion. Okay. So let's start with the base page. And move all this stuff out of the way. And according to the sketch, I will be using this piece right here. Super cute. Now I do have a boy, so I have 2 options for my background pieces. I've got this pink, or I've got this blue, or I have some red. I even have some border strips here. I think what I'm going to do is just change it up a little bit. Just a little bit. Because I can do that. It's my layout, my product. I can do whatever I see fit. Right? But my goal is to use what I have. I love this. Love that. Okay. I think I'm going to first cut these down. Now let's use our photo size guides, and I'll link the video below for these photo size guides. So I could definitely get it here. I could get it here. This is the one that's going to be tricky. So let's try 3.5. 3.5 good, 3.5 good, 3.5 good. So that'll adjust my spacing here quite a bit because I'm going to be doing 3.5 instead of just 3. So we're gonna take these, and I want to cut these down now while I'm planning my page so I know exactly what I'm working with. Now my trimmer does not have a 3.5-inch mark, so I'm really going to be relying on my photo size guides here. Okay, so there's 3.5. Just lining it up to 3.5. Perfect. Okay. So I will cut my photos down each to 3.5 by 3.5, and we will go from there. And I chose to do this so I don't, this is part of my layout a day. It's day 8. And I want to do some quick pages, and one way to do quick pages is to use a pre-made kit. I want to get outside today. That's my goal. It's supposed to be 60 degrees on the 8th of February. Can you believe it? I saw a post from Everybody versus the Midwest where we are in false spring right now. Which is so true. False spring. That gets me. Okay, 3.5. So I hope your weather is relatively good wherever you're at. I know people from all across this country, even other countries, can watch YouTube, so it'd be interesting to see what your weather is like wherever you are. So if you want to comment below what your temperature is right now outside, that would be really fun to see. That would be super fun to see. Okay, so everything is the same height and the same width, so that's good. So I've got those two options there. Nah, I think I'm gonna stick with the pink. Yep. Even though this is a boy layout, that's okay, whatever. We can do whatever we want, right? I could even use the white on the back, but that is stark white. And this is a vanilla-based cardstock, right? So, let's see. We've got this. I think love goes right up here. Uh-oh. Did I punch out my E? Or did I forget it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. E down, E down. That's okay. Oh, I found it. E found, E found. I think that's super fun. All my love. And I think I'm going to pop those up on foam to give it even more dimension. Okay, looking at my photos, I think we start with the eyes open, eyes closed, and mouth open, just for some little bit of fun there. Okay, and they are there. Let's see. I'm going to bring some of this red down by using this border strip that is provided. That's cute. I don't want to put it there, so I'm going to put this one aside. They are the same length, so it doesn't matter which one I use. Looking at my sketch here again. Moving that over a little bit. So they put a circle element here, here, and then something here. And I am just going to pull the things that kind of make the most sense from my layout, right? It doesn't necessarily have to be all of those pieces that they said. I'm just going to pop out things that I think are relevant. I don't really think that that soda pop and envelope are relevant. I think these are cute. These little guys are so fun, right? Part of the reason why I like this collection is the animals. They're cute. And I got some chipboard pieces. All of these are relevant. Do I want... I think I'm going to save the clouds and the birds for another layout. Because I didn't end up using that cloud paper to back my photos. Okay, and then this soda pop thing is going to go somewhere else, I think. I could pull in these. Let's see. I've got some puffy stickers here. And some titles. Let's see. Oh, there's those, but they're a lot smaller. I like the bigness of those elements there. Okay. Oh, there's the koala holding a heart. That's cute. I think the sloth is super fun, right? Maybe we anchor it right here where that blue line is. Yep, that's good. Put the panda away. And then let's see. We've got one here, and one here. Well, I like this cluster that they've got going on. That's actually kind of what I was thinking. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Might as well. If I like it, I like it, right? Look at that. Hugs and kisses. That's cute. In that case, that's fun. Look at that cute little panda bear there. Okay. And then we've got some flowers and then some more heart elements. Here's a flower. Do I like flowers on this page? No, I don't. So we're going to remove all the flowers because I don't like them. I can totally do that, right? It's my layout. Let's see, where is my journaling gonna go? That is the never-ending question, right? Where's the journaling supposed to go? Well, they sent this with it, and I get the die cuts, and like I think you get the entire collection, which is pretty awesome, right? Okay. Let's take a look at these. Oh, maybe I can get one of those red pieces. Well, I've got red there, I got red there. I feel like I do need red. True love forever. That'd be kind of cute. Oh, look at this. Love is all you need banner. And then I can move that over. I also have this red piece. That looks too big for my journaling. Yeah, some of this stuff is more related towards... Yep, I think... I love you this much. I think that's good. Okay. Let's move it up a little bit because I think I want all those little hearts showing. And what I'll do is I'll cut this so it goes all the way across now. Because I'm covering it up with this die cut, I could totally do that. Okay, so I love layering things like this on top of here. So maybe that's what I'll do for that right there. I feel like this guy needs to be sitting on something. So let's see what we've got here. Oh, we got a cute little hearts. Oh, we've got this. Now I feel like it needs to be something different. Let's see. What if we put this up there? Maybe we do a little bit of both. Nope. Too big. Too big. That's okay. Let's see. Let's see. This would be kind of fun. Let's try this one. Oops. Oh yeah, and then I wonder if I can flip this. Yeah, look at that. That's cute. Okay, so much for the no flowers on these, but I can cover those with hearts. So let's do that. Let's kind of cover these up, right? That will be super easy to do. Okay. So I think that is going to be my layout. Came together incredibly quick because I used that Simple Stories page kit right here. I hope you enjoyed this look at the Simple Stories page kit for the Sweet Talk collection. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.